Making sense of for and since. Master English time expressions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that seems simple but can actually get quite tricky. Understanding the usage of for and since in English, especially when talking about duration and frequency. It's crucial to get the hang of this, as it'll boost your ability to communicate more accurately about time. So, let's get started. To begin with, let's establish what these words mean in the context of time. For is used when you want to talk about a period or duration of time. You use it when you are specifying the amount of time that something has been happening. Here's an example. I have been studying English for 3 years. On the other hand, since is used when you want to mark the starting point of a particular action or situation that continues up to the present. In short, since is used for a point in time. Here's an example. I have been studying English since 2020. Now, let's delve deeper into the use of for. For is used with a period of time. It can be used with all tenses, but is most commonly used with the present perfect tense. Here are some examples. I lived in Spain for 2 years. Past simple. I will be in London for 2 weeks. Future simple. I have worked here for 5 years. Present perfect. Remember, it's all about the duration of time. Next, we move on to since. Since is used with a specific point in time and is typically used with the present perfect tense. Here are some examples. I have known her since high school. We have been friends since 2001. He has been working there since last June. The crucial point here is that we're referring to a specific starting point in time. One common mistake is using for and since interchangeably, which can lead to confusion. To avoid this, always remember: use for a duration of time, and since for a specific point in time. Example of a mistake. I have been living here since 2 years. Correction. I have been living here for 2 years. Example of a mistake. I have known him for we were children. Correction. I have known him since we were children. And that wraps up our lesson on for and since. Remember, for is for durations and since is for specific points in time. With some practice, you'll be using these words with ease and precision. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you won't even have to think about it. We hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding for and since. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.